Hello students of ninth class. I am going to teach you today the first chapter of political science and its name is what is democracy. Now at first we will look here definition of democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. It means democratic government is the government elected by people and people elect the government through voting system. It means each person who is adult, he or she can vote for making government through the representatives. And now we see the features of democracy. What are the main features of democracy? First one is major decisions are taken by elected leaders. It means we vote to our favorite leaders and they take decision in government. Second feature is free and fair electoral competition. It means in democracy people are free to vote or to any type of democratic competition and elections are generally fair. And next, one person, one vote, one value. It means each person who is matured or more than 18 years can vote and the value of each person is one vote. Next, rule of law and respect for right. Means democracy is based on legal things. Means based on law and we respect for rights of each other or one another. Now here there are arguments against democracy because some people are not in favor of democratic governments. The first argument is leaders keep changing in democracy. Means in party the top leaders change. Therefore this leads to instability. Means most of the democratic governments are not stable. Therefore decision making capacity delays. Next, democracy is all about political competition. Means democratic system is based on competition. Political competition means sometimes there is corruption, fighting and power play. Means gunda elements or bad elements use their powers. Means they take the help of corruption. There is no scope for morality. It means while voting or making government they do not care for morality. Means moral things are not taken in view. Next, so many people have to be consulted in a democracy. Means there are many leaders or there are many members in cabinet. Therefore they take decision together that leads to delay. Means sometimes it is delay in taking decisions. Next, elected leaders do not know best interest of the people. Means we vote to the leaders or our representatives and they go to their posts but they don't know about our local problems, about our personal problems. it leads to bad decisions. Sometimes the leaders take decisions which are not in favor of common people. Next one, democracy leads to corruption, for it is based on electoral competition. Means in most of political competitions, people use corruption, means corrupt means. They don't care for moral means. Last one is ordinary people do not know what is good for them. Means most of people do not know what is good for themselves. They should not decide anything and they don't have any right to decide anything what is good for them. Now next topic is arguments for democracy. First point is a democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable, means responsible form of government. It means in democracy the leaders are responsible to the people. Means while taking any type of decision they keep in their mind the welfare of the common people. Next, thus democracy improves the quality of decision making. It means before taking any type of decision the leaders think about the quality of their decision, means for the welfare of the country, for the welfare of common people. Next, democracy improves a method to deal with differences and conflicts. As you know, student, that India is a very great country, means country of great variety, where people of different castes, religions and language live. So sometimes there are differences among them. The leaders also think about their differences and conflicts, means they try to avoid differences and conflicts among the people, means they take this decision which is good for the country and good for everybody. Next, democracy enhances means grows, increases the dignity, means respect, means honor of citizens. Means the leaders take great care of the citizens, they respect the citizens because citizens have power of voting. Next, is better than other form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Means in democracy elections are held generally after every 5 years. If leaders make any mistake, the voters teach them lesson through voting, and the next leaders learn their mistakes and improve them after some time. Okay, dear students, if you have any query, please call me.